The SoundMagic P23BT is a compact and foldable headphone designed for mobile use, offering a seamless blend of convenience and top-tier sound quality. Now, let's delve into the practical features of this portable headset to evaluate its performance in everyday situations and its user-friendly characteristics. This on-ear style headset is versatile, supporting both wireless and wired connections, making it suitable for productivity tasks and gaming. Constructed with plastic ear cups and a headband, the P23BT headphones feature a traditional yoke design, allowing the ear cups to tilt up and down by nearly 90 degrees. Furthermore, the ear cups can rotate sideways up to 90 degrees, providing the convenience of laying them flat on a desk. The ear cups are equipped with a robust metal folding hinge, enabling them to be folded inwards, reducing their footprint when not in use. The memory foam cushions on the ear cups have a donut shape, measuring 7 cm in diameter, with a small circular inner hole, 3.5 cm in diameter. The inner part of the ear pad is lined with breathable mesh fabric. The distance to the driver is 1.5 cm, and the top of the driver is covered with a thin layer of non-padded fabric. The headband, cushioned differently from the standard foam PU leather, is entirely padded with a thick layer of silicone rubber, featuring engraved SoundMagic branding on the top side. Adjustable through an inner band with a clicky ratchet mechanism, the headband's plastic inner band is reinforced with a metal band for enhanced durability. On the left EARCUP, you'll find the 2.5mm audio port, with mic pass-through, a single physical button with clicky actuation, and a touch control on the faceplate. The touch control panel, similar to the P23BT headphones, is highly responsive, supporting tap and swipe gestures for volume control, play, pause, call management, and track skipping. Above the left EARCUP, the USB-C charging port is protected by a rubber flap. However, its location may not be the most user-friendly due to interference from the yoke. The rubber flap covering the charging port has a narrow opening, making it awkward to plug in the charging cable and necessitating bending the rubber flap backward. On the right EARCUP faceplate, you'll find the NFC chip and a status LED providing feedback on battery and Bluetooth status. Notably, the Bluetooth light continues to blink during audio playback after connection. Concerning charging, the P23BT headphones support pass-through audio while charging in both Bluetooth and wired modes. They also offer fast charging, providing 5 hours of playtime with just a quick 10-minute charge. The full charging time is 1 hour, resulting in 35 hours of call time and 55 hours of music playback time via the SBC codec at medium volume. Comfort is a standout feature of the P23BT, thanks to its exceptionally low weight, only 157 grams, gentle clamping force from the headband, and comfortable earpads. The on-ear style inherently ensures a comfortable fit for extended use. The included boom arm mic cable, weighing only 20 grams, shares a design with the P23BT headphones. It consists of a 3.5mm audio cable with a bendable boom arm microphone with memory wire. While the boom arm microphone can be detached from the headset, it can't be separated from the audio cable, posing a minor inconvenience. An alternative Bluetooth microphone is built into the left EAR-CUP for those who prefer not to use the boom arm mic. Both microphones capture voices loudly, clearly, and naturally without digitized distortion, with the wired boom arm mic outperforming the Bluetooth mic. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, the P23BT ensures a stable connection within a range of up to 13 meters. It supports various codecs, including aptX, aptX HD, and SBC, although the AAC codec didn't appear to be supported during testing. In terms of audio performance, the P23BT features 40mm dynamic drivers, allowing for audio enjoyment in both Bluetooth and wired modes. The P23BT uses a 2.5mm to 3.5mm audio connection when plugged into a phone's headphone jack, and its moderate impedance of around 40 ohms ensures sufficient volume without an external amplifier. The P23BT headphones provide a pleasing listening experience, excelling in bass-heavy tracks with a clear and neutral mid-range. The treble is sufficiently high to capture details without causing listener fatigue. While they may not reach the lowest frequencies and lack passive noise isolation compared to over-ear headphones, the P23BT headphones are well suited and safer for casual on-the-go listening, allowing some awareness of the surrounding environment. Included in the package are two unbranded cables, a 1.2-meter USB-C cable and a 2-meter boom arm mic audio cable. Additionally, there's a branded softshell zip pouch made of thick neoprene-like material. The pouch, while fitting the headphones snugly, leaves minimal space for the included cable,